Video of install the solar air conditioner. Firstly, thank you for purchasing our solar air conditioner. This video will show you how to install our solar air conditioner. Please don't install it if you are not a qualified installing technician. First step, please prepare these tools for installation. 1. A screwdriver. 2. An inner hexagon spinner. 3. 2 spinners. 4. A vacuum pump. 5. A pressure gauge. 6. A bottle of soap water. Second step, open the package boxes and checking. A solar air conditioner has 3 cartons: outdoor unit, indoor unit, solar collector. Firstly, open the carton of the outdoor unit. Take out the connecting pipes and the cardboard behind the condenser. Then, take out the membrane of the outdoor unit. Secondly, open the solar collector carton. There are an insulation tank and a box of vacuum tube, 2 connecting pipes for water tank, brackets for installing the water tank, and so on in it. Thirdly, open the package of indoor unit. There are the indoor unit installation manual, remote controller, wall-mounted plate, and some other accessories in the package box of indoor unit. Third step, install the solar collector on the top of outdoor unit. Take the water tank, the bracket, and the connecting pipe out of carton. Then fix the 8 pieces stainless steel bolts with washer into the screwing holes of front panel of outdoor unit. Please take care that don't screw too tight. Please keep a 2 to 3 mm space between the front panels and outdoor unit. Then fix the water flowing tank brackets on the front panel of outdoor unit. Tight it with spinner. Loose the 2 nuts on water tank. Then put the water tank on the water tank bracket. Insert 2 pieces mounting bolts of water tank into bracket installation hole. Then use the unsnatched nut to fix the water tank and bracket. Then use the spinner to tight it. Open the package of vacuum tube. You will see the vacuum tubes. Put on black decorative ring. Dip some soapy water at the terminal of vacuum tube. It's good for installing the vacuum tube into the water tank. Fixing the vacuum tube into below support, and fixing it using 4 pieces of stainless screw. Tight them with spinner. Putting the plastic retainer into the corresponding hole of support of vacuum tube. Pull the vacuum tube down, adjust it in place. Put the decorative rings on the drainage tee, inserting the hole outside of water tank. Remove the 2 plastic nuts of water tank and 4 plastic nuts of stopping valves on outdoor unit. Fix the plastic nuts on the 2 connecting pipes of water tank. Then fix them into 2 valves of water tank and outdoor unit. Tight it by using spinners. The fourth step, install the indoor unit. At first, take out of the indoor unit. Take down the wall-mounted plate. Use expansion screws to fix the wall-mounted plate on the wall. Take off the insulation pipe behind of indoor unit. Loose copper nut with 2 spinners. If there is gas go out, means indoor unit didn't leak. But if no gas go out, means maybe the evaporator of indoor unit has leaked. If with this problem happening, in order to avoid more problems happening in future, please change a new indoor unit. Take the connecting pipe of indoor and outdoor unit out. Also take out the plastic nuts. Fix the two connecting pipes of indoor unit after making the two pipes straight. Tight it with binder, then connecting the draining pipe into water drain pipe of indoor unit. Wrapping the three pipes and the wire with plastic belt. Please don't wrap the pole plug. Then hang the indoor unit on the wall-mounted plate, making all pipe line and wire through the wall hole. The fifth step, connecting outdoor unit copper pipes and wiring. Connect the one end of two connecting pipes into two stop valves of outdoor unit. Tight it with spinner, connecting the drain tube from indoor unit on the top of plastic T-joint on water tank. Connecting another drain tube into another terminus. Loose the electric cover with the screwdriver. Loose out the clamp. Tighten the pole wire and connect the wire of the line sequence to terminal block. Then fix back the electric cover. The sixth step, vacuumize and open valves. Connecting the two stop valves with pressure gauge. Connecting pipe, fix one middle pipe into vacuum pump. Then turn on the vacuum pump and drain out the air from indoor unit and the water tank. When the pressure gauge shows below the -20 bar, you can turn off the vacuum pump. Loose the hose, open the first stop valve with inner hexagon spinner, screw all nuts tightly. If it can't reach -20 bar, maybe the connecting nuts joint not be screwed tightly. Please check each joint with spinner. The seventh step, trial run. Make sure there is no problem of all installation. Please use funnel to fill water from the air vent hole. You can connect the pole plug into the poles. Pole should to configure fuse and air switch according to the air conditioner specification and need grounded reliably. When in the unit pole on them, you will hear voice of beep. Open the back cover of remote controller. Insert two batteries. Then use the remote controller to turn on. Please note, setting correct mode and temperature. After turning on, it will show setting temperature on the screen. You can set in wind speed, temperature, timer on and off by pressing buttons. If there's a fault, it will display an error code on the install unit. Then please inform the local service center. Thank you for watching.